In this video, I would like us to talk about one of many polymorphic relationship. And one of many polymorphic relationship is similar to one of many relationship, with the one that is not polymorphic. And the only difference is that for this one, we are having a child model being depended upon by two different parent models. So basically, for the example that we have here, I did use this example for one-to-many relationship. We have post model and the video model, and then we have the comment. So for the video, we had the comments, so it was one of many, and then in the post table, we also had comments, and then in the comment model, we had the commentable morph to class. So, function. So in our database, what we had was the videos table, the posts table, and lastly, the comments table. And this one looks a little bit different because it has an integer, which is the commentable ID, and the string, which is the commentable type. So for the commentable ID, we pass in the ID of the model that we are working with. Then the commentable type, you pass in a string, which is app models videos or app models posts, like that. So let us go ahead and see if we can be able to just fetch one of many relationship inside example. So I would like us to have a public function, and I'm just going to copy what we have here. And here we are going to have comment singular, and I would like to call it latest comment, for example. So we are intending to pick one comment, either the latest, maybe a comment that has been highly viewed, if there's anything of that sort, or maybe the oldest comment. So after having that, here we are going to have morph one, that, and then here it's also going to be morph one, and every other thing remains the same, only that here we will chain latest of many, like that. So once we do that, we can be able to use this class and see what happens. So I want us to just run our application on localhost 8000. So we run php artisan serve. Now that it's running, we can open our browser and see what we have. When we visit localhost 8000 on our browser, that is what we have, but it is actually not whatever it is that we require. So I want us to go to web.php and comment out whatever it is that we had in our previous video tutorial. In this case, since we have been able to create a relationship inside the video model, we can be able to fetch a video, which would be a video, and then find, we want a video with an ID of 1. After that, I want the video latest comment. So let us see if that can be fetched. If we were to refresh, now we are having that the video actually has comment. And of course, in the previous video, we had been able to seed our database with the data. So if you follow everything the way we have, then you can be able to end up with the result that we are having here. But this video is sort of related to the previous video, where you can be able to search a video where I've talked about one of many polymorphic relationship, and it will be able to give you some basis on what it is that we are doing here. So again, the same thing you can be able to do on a post model. So you copy what we have here, a similar fashion. And I think in this case, there's nothing that we are changing. We'll just paste it the way it is, like that. And then ensure that we have imported the morph one above here, such that we can be able also to check it inside our web.php. So in this case, we can say instead of video, we have post, and here we will also have post like that. So post latest comment. Again, we can be able to refresh and see that we will actually get a comment that belongs to that post, the post which has an ID of 1. So basically that is what you can have. You may also have maybe latest, maybe oldest comment, something of that sort. So we can say oldest comment, like that, and here it will be of 1, and we can say oldest of many, just like that. And once we have it this way, if we again to check, let me also just copy and also have it on the post model. So if you require to get the oldest, we copy it nicely. So yes, everything, including everything here. So we can paste in the post model. So once we have it like that, again, we can be able to fetch the oldest model in our web.php. So in this case, we can say oldest comment, that. And still, if we go ahead and attempt to refresh, again, it works as expected. So basically, that is how you can work with one of many relationship when you are working with polymorphic relationship. If you like this video, you can give us a thumbs up. You can also click on the subscription button if you are new to this channel. If you have a comment, you can be able to share in the comment section below. Thank you very much.